In a quiet village, an old woodcutter lived with his 3 sons. He was kind and hard-working, but his sons often argued over small things. He longed for peace in his home, knowing that unity was the greatest treasure. Each evening, he prayed silently that his sons would learn to love one another.
My dear boys, a family that fights cannot stand strong. Quarrels weaken the heart.
He whispered sadly to himself. One morning, the brothers fought again, this time over who should carry the wood to market. Their voices echoed through the forest. The father's heart grew heavy as he listened to their angry shouts. Even the animals nearby scurried away, disturbed by the noise.
Brothers should not sound like enemies,
the father muttered. The father thought deeply. He wanted to teach them a lesson they would never forget. His wise eyes sparkled as he realized the sticks could show them the truth. He gathered the bundle carefully, knowing this would be the turning point.
This lesson must be strong enough to last a lifetime,
he said. He called his sons and handed them a bundle of sticks tied tightly together.
Try to break this.
The brothers exchanged curious glances, eager to prove their strength. Each one believed he could succeed where the others had failed.
Watch me. I can do it,
boasted the eldest, gripping the bundle tightly. Each son tried with all his strength, but the bundle wouldn't break. They grunted and strained, but the sticks stayed firm. Sweat dripped from their brows, and their arms trembled with effort.
It's hopeless,
cried the youngest, throwing up his hands. Then the father untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick.
Try to break this.
The sharp snap of breaking wood startled them into silence. They looked at their father with wide eyes, realizing the difference.
It is so easy,
exclaimed the middle son, amazed at the contrast. The father smiled.
When you fight, you are like single sticks, easy to break. But when you stand together, you are strong.
His words sank deep into their hearts like seeds ready to grow. The brothers lowered their heads, ashamed of their foolish quarrels.
We will be strong if we stay united,
whispered the eldest. The brothers looked at each other, ashamed of their quarrels. They understood their father's wisdom. Their anger melted away, replaced by respect for one another. They realized that unity was the key to happiness.
Let us forgive each other and begin anew,
said the youngest. They promised never to fight again and to help one another in everything they did. Their voices rang with sincerity, echoing through the quiet yard. The father's heart filled with joy as he heard their vow.
Together, we will be unbreakable,
declared the middle son. Days passed, and the family worked together in harmony. The woodcutters smiled as laughter filled their home. Even the forest seemed brighter as joy returned to their lives. The brothers discovered that working together made every task easier.
Father's words truly change us. See how light the load feels when we share it,
laughed the eldest. The villagers saw the change and admired the family's unity.
Look, how strong they are when they work together,
they said. Soon, the family became a shining example for the whole village. Neighbors began to copy their teamwork. bringing peace to the community.
Unity spreads like firelight. Their bond is like the bundle of sticks, unbreakable,
said an old villager proudly. That night, the father whispered,
Unity is strength. When we stand together and support one another, we can overcome challenges and achieve greater success than we ever could alone.
The sons smiled, knowing they would remember his words forever. The bundle of sticks lay by the fire, glowing as a symbol of their bond. From that day forward, their home was filled with harmony and love.
Father, your lesson will guide us always,
said the youngest softly. Here are lessons learned from The Bundle of Sticks. Unity makes us strong. When we stand together, we can overcome challenges that seem impossible alone. Just like the bundle of sticks that couldn't be broken, teamwork and family unity give us strength that no one can easily defeat. Quarreling weakens relationships. Fighting and arguing only make people weaker and unhappy. The brothers learned that constant quarrels broke their bond, but peace and cooperation brought joy back into their home. Wisdom comes from listening. The father's gentle words carried deep meaning, and his sons grew wiser by listening to him. Children learn that paying attention to advice from elders helps them make better choices and live in harmony. I hope you enjoyed the story today. Good night, little one. May your dreams be filled with kindness, friendship, and the warmth of togetherness. Sleep peacefully and wake up ready to share your strength with others. Sweet dreams.